Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to make sweet potato halwa. This is a very delicious recipe and it's usually made during Vrat or fasts in India. But of course you can prepare it for any special occasion. So let's check out how to make this awesome sweet potato halwa. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. To make the sweet potato halwa, we have taken 280 grams or 2 sweet potatoes which we boiled, peeled and mashed, and after mashing it comes to about 1 cup. We've also taken 3/4 cup of jaggery or ghee. You can even use sugar instead of jaggery, and we've also taken half cup of ghee. Half a cup of grated coconut and 1 teaspoon elaichi powder or cardamom powder. We've also taken a handful of cashews or kaju which we have roasted in some ghee and set aside. Now in a pan, let's add the jaggery. For 3/4 cup of jaggery, we've taken 1 cup of water and we are going to allow the jaggery to dissolve in the water. In the meanwhile, in another kadhai, we've heated 1/4 cup of ghee and to that we are adding the boiled sweet potato. So in this recipe, we are using a total of half cup of ghee, but right now we've taken only 1/4 cup of ghee. So let's allow the sweet potato to cook with the ghee for about 3 to 4 minutes. And in the meanwhile, our jaggery has dissolved in the water and formed a syrup. So once the sweet potato is ready, we'll add it onto the jaggery syrup. And we have to continuously stir this on a medium flame and allow it to cook until the mixture forms a semi-solid consistency like this. And at this point, we are adding in the coconut and the elaichi powder, and let's mix this in. All the ingredients are mixed together well and the mixture has come to a boil. Our halwa is almost ready. Now let's add in the remaining ghee. So earlier we had used 1/4 cup of ghee to cook the sweet potatoes in. So now we are using the rest of the ghee. That is 1/4 cup of ghee. Give this a good mix and wow, so our sweet potato halwa is all ready, and let's transfer it to a serving bowl. This looks so delicious. On our channel you can check out the method to boil sweet potatoes and also the recipe for a sweet potato sabzi or fry. Sweet potato is such a unique vegetable, isn't it? You can make a lot of amazing recipes out of it. Our sweet potato halwa is all ready. We just have to garnish it now with some cashews. These are the cashews that we had sauteed in ghee earlier and kept aside. I really hope you like this recipe of sweet potato halwa. Please try this out. Give us a feedback. Thank you.